Hello dear friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create canvas paintings if you don't know how to draw. You can purchase materials for this project in our online store. We'll use three 30 by 30 centimeter canvases. First, wet the canvas with water using a wide brush. Apply a thick layer of white textured paste to the canvas using a spatula. Now spread the paste with a sponge, creating a rough texture on the surface of the canvas. Create this texture over the entire surface of the canvas. The textured paste dries for about 2 hours. Cut out pictures from rice paper. The pictures are 30 by 30 centimeters and are perfect for these canvases. Place the picture on the canvas surface. Peel back half of the picture to apply glue underneath. The canvas has a texture, so you need to apply a thick enough layer of glue to fill the recesses in the texture. Now apply glue to the top of the picture, spreading the glue from the center of the picture out to its edges. Glue the second part of the picture in the same way. The wide texture of the canvas is clearly visible through the picture. We will use air drying clay to create the ornaments. Knead the clay in your hands and compact it into silicone molds. This clay does not stick to your hands or the silicone molds. These molds are only 5 millimeters deep, so the decor can be removed from them after 10 minutes. Apply adhesive for porous surfaces to the decorative elements. Spread the glue with a brush. Glue the decorative elements to the frame shown in the picture. For the outer frame, use decorative elements made using a second silicone mold. Glue the decorative elements using adhesive for porous surfaces. For the inside of the frame, use the same decorative elements. After drying, the decorative elements will shrink slightly. So fill the joints with texture paste. Let the decor dry for 24 hours to ensure the clay is thoroughly dry. Paint the decorative elements and the sides of the canvas with beige acrylic paint. Dilute the dark brown paint with water and apply it to the decorative elements. Now apply a small amount of light beige paint to an old, stiff brush and wipe off any excess paint on the paper. Lightly touching the decorative elements, apply paint to our designs, highlighting them. Now apply white acrylic paint to a stiff brush. Wipe off any excess paint on the paper and highlight the decorative elements and the sides of the canvas. The texture of the paste will show through the paper. You can enhance the relief effect in the picture by using any remaining white paint on the brush. Varnish the entire painting with matte acrylic varnish. Our paintings are ready. I think they'll make a wonderful addition to your home. Thanks for viewing, and see you soon.